Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 6 from Class CS1121B. I would like to introduce our group members. Firstly, Aisyah Safiyah Binti Abdul Halim. Secondly is me, Syaza Dina Balqis Binti Kamal Arifin. And lastly, Absarina Batrisyia Binti Muhammad Zaid. For this video, we will talk about one of the topics from application of differentiation, which is related rates. We have 4 contents that we will share in this video. The first one is the introduction of related rates. Related rates is a solution to find a rate at a changes of quantity that related with other quantity. Usually, for all cases of related rates, the quantity always respect to time. Moreover, the solution technique need to be general to find the answer. Next is strategy for solving related rates. First, read the problem carefully. Second, draw the diagram if possible. Third, introduce notation and assign all the quantity. Fourth, express all the given information in terms of derivative. Fifth, write an equation of the problem. Sixth, or lastly, use chain rule for the both sides with respect to time.
The problem statement and the problem solution will be presented by me, Absarina Batrisyia. The problem statement here states that a cuboid has a square base and its height is twice its base. If x is the length of the base and x increases at a rate of 3 centimeters per second, find the rate of change of the surface area when x is 4 centimeters. Now, let us look at the problem solution and how to solve it. Step 1 is to draw and label a diagram after reading the question properly. From the problem statement, we know that the cuboid has a square base and the size of the base should be labeled as x. Meanwhile, the height of the cuboid will be labeled as h. Step 2 is to express all the given information from the problem statement in terms of derivative. The problem statement states that x increases at a rate of 3 centimeters per second. So dx over dt equals to 3 centimeters per second. The problem statement also states that the height of the cuboid is twice its base. Therefore, h will be equal to 2x. And also from the problem statement, we know that the question wants us to find the rate of change of the surface area when x is 4 centimeters, which means the question wants us to find dSA over dt. The last step is to solve the question using all the information that we've acquired. First, we should find the surface area equation by calculating the surface area of the base and subtracting it with 2, and totaling it with the surface area of the side and subtracting it with 4. After we found the equation of the surface area, we should then find the rate of change of surface area by finding the derivative of the surface area equation. Substitute the constant from the derivative of surface area equation with the information from the problem statement that we've identified in step 2 and solve the equation.
Conclusion: to find the rate of change of the surface area of a cuboid when the value of x, referred to length, is given in the question, we need to come up with the equation that relates to the surface area of a cuboid with the formula of surface area 2x squared plus 4sh so that we can find the derivative of both sides of the equation with respect to t. After we have found the derivative, we can replace the x with the value given in the question, which is 4 cm, and also can replace the dx dt, which is the rate of change of length, with 3 cm per second. And lastly, we can finalize our answer by multiply them and put the units value, which is centimeter squared per second, at the end. Before we end our video presentation, we would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our lecturer, Madam Siti Salihah Shafi, for giving us a good guideline for this video presentation. We would also like to thank each of our group members, especially classmates, and also those who have directly and indirectly helped put together in this video. That's all from us. Thank you.